Good evening, crypto miners. Nice to see so many of you back here again. Thank you for giving us your time to spend here with Green Block. We hosted Green Block not too long ago, but that was on Telegram, and now we're here on Twitter Space. So let's see where we have them. Luis and Carlos, I think. Are you here, guys? Actually, can you hear me? I'm not sure you can hear me. Sounds weird. North, thumbs up if you can hear me. Can you hear me, North? Can anyone hear me? No thumbs up. There, one thumbs up. So North, you can hear me. That's good. All right, so I'm still looking for Louis and Carlos. Where are you guys? You have to ask to speak. Click the little microphone to your left down, and then I can see you and get you up here on stage. So we're waiting for the team from Green Block, Luis and Carlos. I can't see them anymore. Can you see them, Alpha? It's easy to see you guys if you raise your hand. Okay, they started with a PC. Oh, of course. Yeah, we'll wait a little bit. So, thumbs up to everyone who likes pizza with pineapple, please. Come on, guys. Do you like pizza with pineapple? Thumbs up. No? Or thumbs down then if you don't like it. Heart? Okay. 100% heart. What's wrong, Alpha? Why are you crying? Louise is here. I see you. Welcome up, Louis. Are we waiting for Carlos as well?
Hello. No, I don't think Carlos is not coming to this EMEA. I will be alone.
Okay. That's fine. It's enough.
Thank you.
So we meet again, Louis.
It's true. We made the EMEA a few 3 days ago. Yeah, in your Telegram channel. Yeah.
Yeah, and now we have Twitter Space. That's amazing. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
And here at Crypto Miners, we don't give financial advice, but we wish to give you more knowledge about this project. And Luis, you have been already on Telegram with us not too long ago, but you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and the project from the start, maybe, and then you want maybe give us some updates also from last time you had launched.
Yes, of course.
Since then, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, how do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Maybe start with introducing yourself to everyone, because there are lots of new people in here, probably.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. My name is Luis Fernandez. I am from Spain. I am the CEO of Green Block Capital and the Spice Dex projects. We are here in Spain, located. We have our company here in Spain. We are into crypto since 2017. We really start with crypto with the mining business. We start building mining farms here in Spain in 2017. There was possible with the graphic cards with the 1080 Ti. We had a good price for electricity, not very bad like now. So it was profitable for us. We started with the mining Zcash and Ethereum when there were like $8 to $12. And we keep making business with the related with crypto. We have been working with the physical exchange here in Spain with Novo, with the ATMs. 2 years ago, we started with the development of our own projects for blockchain projects. Like I said, we launched a few months ago SpiceDex. It will be on the mainnet in the next 10th of February. We were waiting the 30th audit for the project. Like it took a little bit because there was 111 smart contracts for the audit. They are already in 99% of the audit. And for the 10th of February, we will be deploying the contracts on the mainnet. We are talking also with the Binance Accelerator for the SpiceDex project. We are quite happy, quite happy with the development of the SpiceDex. And now we are here to talk about the Green Block Capital. Yeah, we have in the company our blockchain developers. They are working with us right now. 8 blockchain developers because we have a lot of development with the SpiceDex project. We have also website developers for our landing page. We have the graphic designers, we have lawyers in the company, and we have the business development guys. That's me and Roberto. Yeah. And now for the Green Block Capital project, we have also partnerships. We have partnered with the Mining Future company. This is also a Spanish company that they are like brokers for the hosting of the miners all around the world. We have like 25 sites located in Canada, America, South America, Russia, Africa, Georgia, and Abu Dhabi. And we also have for this launch, for this project, for the Green Block Capital token, I will be trying to explain a little bit about it. We have the partnership also with the Miners Hub company. Miners Hub company is the biggest company for the mining business in Emirates. They are regulated. They have the license, and they are our hosters in Abu Dhabi. They provide to us the hosting, the electricity, and they have the repair with the Chinese guys. They bring to Dubai for this. So we have a good price for the electricity with the hosting, with the management. It's around $0.06 per kilowatt. So it makes quite possible to be profitable with the mining business at this moment. And we have these partnerships, and we have the token, the project, the fragment of the token. Why we believe that it's interesting? Because there are a lot of tokens related with the mining, but first of all, we need to understand that this is real mining. We are having our miners. We have the videos in our Telegram groups, in our socials. I was in Abu Dhabi last week. I was with the CEO of Miners Hub. We made the video presentation of our facilities. Our miners are already working. Since yesterday, we plugged 10 miners for L7 miners for the staking of the token. And the business model, we launched the token. Token is Green Block Capital GBT token. With the token in the stake, people will be getting the share of the miners we are working with in Abu Dhabi. So people who want to invest into the mining business, they are able to invest at, let's say, like professional rates with the price of the electricity, with the price of the miners, with the management, with the knowledge we have, with the with the experience from our company, Miners Hub company, everything we have. And they are able to be mining at a cheap price. Because if we check now our DApp, the cost for 1 megahash, talking about the script algorithm, it's around $0.96. If you understand, for example, the cost of 1 megahash, if you buy your L7 directly in Bitmain or whatever you want, the price of one of these miners will be like around $9,000. Let's say $9,000. Yeah, and they have the minimum power is 9,000 megahashes. So the price if you buy this miner directly to Bitmine, you are going to be paying $1 per megahash, and then you will need to host the miner. You will need to pay the electricity. You will need to pay the repairs. You will need to make the management. And with us directly now, if you stake your tokens, you will see in the staking contract the mining power, the hash rate the cost of the mega hash with our token is $1 per mega hash now. Yeah, and you don't need to pay any electricity, any cost for the management. Electricity is net profit in Bitcoin directly for you. So what more you have? We have the token with the tokenomics. We have 0% buy tax and we have 10% sell tax. We launched yesterday and we have already around $20,000 with the sell tax. What does it mean? The sell tax is in a public address, a public contract, where everyone is able to check how much we are getting in this with the sell tax, and we are using these funds to purchase more miners. It means that with the time, when you are investing into mining business, you are buying your own miner, or you are renting power through any of the companies they are offering mining power. You have a static investment. You will have with the miner 9,000 megahashes with your initial investment forever. But with us, with the token, with the sell tax, we are going to make more purchase of new miners, and you will see how your hash rate, your mining power, increase with the time, because we are going to be buying more miners with the sell tax. So investing in mining with us means that we are going to initially invest into mining power at a lower price that you will find in the market. And you will see also how your mining power is increasing with the time, because with the tokenomics, with the sell tax, we will be buying more miners and increasing your hash rate. So you will be getting more rewards in Bitcoin through the time. Initially, we have APR at the moment in Bitcoin is around 52%. So you will get 52% APR from your investment in Bitcoin. And like I said, if we are adding or plugging more miners to the staking pool of the token, this hash rate will go up and the APR will go up, and you will get more rewards. Like I said in the other chats we did, it's like you are investing now in mining, and you are getting Bitcoin every week, just as a passive income. And then if you are tired of the token, or you don't want to keep mining, you are able to sell the token in the market, because the token is liquid. We add liquidity to the token. It's locked for 1 year in Italy. And we add 400 BNBs for liquidity. The pre-sale was around 800 BNBs. So you are able to invest into mining at a cheap price for the hash rate. You are getting
Luis,
Bitcoin.
can I ask you something?
Tell me, see, please.
The private sale that you had, was that vested?
No, we don't make a private
No,
sale. We make public sale on pink sale directly.
Okay, no private
No,
sale.
no,
I thought
no.
you
We
said
never do private sale. No, we make the public sale on pink sale. It was 800 BNBs. It took 2 days to fill the hard cap, and we listed the token yesterday around this time. But we didn't have any private sale. No.
Okay. All right. Go on.
So
Sorry.
it's
I
okay.
interrupted
No,
you.
it's okay. So nothing. Like I said, if you're investing into the mining business with us, with the token, you are buying buying your mining power at a cheap price, and you are able also to make your initial investment back to your pocket, because you will be able to sell the token in the market and probably recover your initial investment, or a little bit more or less. The market will tell about the price of the token. But for sure, if you are thinking about the DCA, this DCA, or dollar cost average for Bitcoin, probably this will be a good opportunity. Invest in the token, stake the token, and get your Bitcoins directly every week to your wallet with an APR initially about 40 to 50%, and it will be growing up with the time, because the business model with the tokenomics will be possible to buy more miners and to increase your mining power. And more or less, this is about the project, about the token. It's very important to understand. This is the the utility of the token is for be mining Bitcoin. It's important to tell because sometimes we understand that everyone know about mining things. We have our miners. We are plugging our miners to a mining pool. We are using NiceHash. NiceHash is offering you to get your rewards in Bitcoin directly. Doesn't matter which is the algorithm you are mining. We are mining with the L7 miners. These L7 miners are really mining Litecoin and Dogecoin or Dogecoin and Digibyte. But then we are able to be paid into Bitcoin directly from NiceHash. NiceHash is the company that is already renting our mining power to retails or to other persons. We are getting the same or higher return, let's say, offering our hash rate to NiceHash that if we were directly mining in another mining pools. Yeah? And we are also able to get the rewards, our payments in Bitcoin. So this is why it doesn't matter we are now using the L7. If in 6 months we buy miners for mining Ethash or another algorithm, we will be always getting our payments in Bitcoin. And this is why we are paying in the staking Bitcoin directly to the holders of the Green Block Capital token in stake. This is also important to tell because sometimes people don't understand. If you are mining with L7 and you are mining Litecoin and Dogecoin, how you tell that you are paying in Bitcoin? Because we are getting our payments from NiceHash in Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the answer, and it's good to understand this. And also tell the utility of the project is for the mining. Doesn't matter the price of the token. The hash rate will be there, and we will be getting our rewards. Doesn't matter, the rewards are not linked with the price of the token because the rewards are linked with the hash rate. And with the time, we will have always more hash rate, more rewards, and more Bitcoins to the wallets of the holders directly. Doesn't matter the price of the token, yeah?
Yeah, that's cool. So if I buy your token now and it's out, so you can buy it on, I mean, it's Ethereum, right?
No, the token you can buy on Binance Smart Chain with BNBs
Oh, Binance. Okay, good.
in the PancakeSwap.
PancakeSwap. Okay. So you can buy it there if you want. Do your own research first. No financial advice. And then you own, you can say, part of these mining rigs.
Yes.
Or you buy like a part of the mining rigs with the token.
Yes.
And then you get rewarded with the coins that you mine. You mine Litecoin and Ethereum.
No, we are with
No, not
L7.
Ethereum.
We are mining Litecoin and
Can't mine
Dogecoin, but
Ethereum
we are
anymore.
getting payments from the mining pool in Bitcoin. With the time, with the
Oh,
sell tax, we
Dogecoin and Litecoin you
yeah,
mine, and then the people get Bitcoin in reward.
yes, because we are paid in Bitcoin from the NiceHash mining pool. Yes.
Okay, so if I buy the token and hold it in my wallet, that's enough, and then I get Bitcoin
If you buy
in
the token, you
reward.
need to stake in our DApp, and you will be getting your
Okay.
Bitcoins in your stake, and you will be able to claim your rewards. The staking don't have any penalties or lock time. You can stake and stake whenever you want, and you just need to stake in our DApp, and you will be getting your Bitcoins directly every Thursday. We withdraw the rewards from NiceHash pool every Thursday and directly to your wallet. Tomorrow, we will have the first drop of Bitcoin to the staking because we plugged the miners yesterday to the staking of the token. And every Thursday we will be getting the rewards. And tomorrow, everyone in the stake will get the Bitcoins from the miners' work of these 2 days. Yeah. And then next Thursday, every 7 days, it will be the drop of Bitcoin directly to the wallets. Yeah. In the stake.
And how much can I expect? Let's say, how many tokens are there out there?
How many tokens? What?
How many? What's the total supply that you have?
Total supply of the token is 21 million tokens.
Okay, 21 million, like Bitcoin. That's good.
Yeah.
And then So let's make a calculating example so we can understand how much you can earn. Or do you have that already?
Yes, like I said, you can check this directly, the hash rate, the APR, everything in the app, and the APR actually is 52%, more or less. 52% is the APR in rewards. So if you are investing $100, you will be getting $52 now, and we will be increasing the.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, you said that last time. Sorry, I forgot. So it's like a percentage, a fixed percentage always that you get.
No. It will be depending of the hash rate. Like I said, we are buying 2 more miners this Friday. We will make the announcement because with the sale tax we have funds for buy more miners. So we will be increasing the APR and the rewards
Okay, that's even
with the
better.
sale tax. Yeah?
So every time you get more reward or sell tax, you buy more miners.
Yes, this is the tokenomics. This is the business model.
Yeah.
If you invest in the ASIC miner L7 now, you will be paying $1 per megahash with us, and then you will need to pay the electricity and the hosting and the management. With us, the price now is the same, 0.98 cents per megahash, and you will be increasing your hash rate because we will be buying and plugging more miners to the staking pool of the token. Yeah. This is why I told
Okay, I understand now. Maybe we have some questions from the audience about how everything works. Should we take some questions? What do you say, Luis?
Yes, please, of course.
Let's see. We have, I'm going to unmute Elon and Hank. Let's see who comes first. Hank, I think you can talk, Hank. No?
How can I participate in this pre-sale? Also,
the pre-sale is over, Elon.
All right.
Pre-sale is over.
Okay, all right. My second question is also about your security, regarding your security. So, have you been audited by any third party to ensure safety of users' data? How can we assess these audit credentials, assuming you have been audited? Thank you.
I understand about the audit of the staking contract, the audit of the token. This is already done. The data is in the blockchain. So if you make the staking in the app, you will be able to search the address and to check everything is happening is in the blockchain. Because we are not a centralized site. We are working with the app, with the smart contracts for the staking, connected with the miners pool and all the. You can make the research and you can make the traceability of everything through the blockchain. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
I wish you all the best. Thank you
Thank
for
you, Elon.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
All right, PLC, Hank, the lion. What is your question? Are you with us, Hank? You have to unmute yourself. There you go.
Hey, Mary. Sorry, I didn't hear you saying hunk.
Hey, it's your turn.
Yep. Louis, well done. It's good to see some projects up and running, and definitely going to be part of this because you definitely caught my attention.
Thank you.
I'll ping you separately on some personal requests that I have as well, where you see yourself potential in your roadmap. But before that, what I would want to know is like, how are you going to sustain if you encounter another, bull, a bear run market? Like, I see projects now having like 100 years LP locked and everything, but do you have any like backup plan in case like the market goes down again? Because that's something that's very important for the community to know.
Yeah. For sure we have not. It's not like we have a plan. Yeah, because like I said before, this investment is about the mining. So we need to take care about the profitability of the miners. The profitability of the miners depends on the miner itself and the cost of the electricity and hosting. Like actually, one L7 miner cost of electricity for 1 month is $150 at the price we have. Yeah, more or less 150, 149, whatever. And the revenue from the L7 is like $800 to $900 monthly. I can tell you something. When we make what I try to tell that is we are quite far from the break-even point. If we only mine $150, we don't have any profit. If we go lower for $150, we are in red. But this is not probably going to happen. Yeah. So we have experience into the mining. These L7 ASIC miners, we are working with them since 6 to 8 months ago. And I can tell you something. The profitability, the revenue have been almost the same during these 6-7 months. Doesn't matter Bitcoin was 23,000 6 months ago or whatever, more or less, or $15,000 1 month ago, or now it's again 22, 23. Normally, the problem when you are mining is not about the market itself. It's about the new hardware the factories are bringing to the market. Yeah, what I mean is that for Bitcoin miners, probably every 4 to 6 months you have a new hardware for mining Bitcoin. So it's quite risky to invest, in our opinion, into Bitcoin miners because it's quite difficult to be stable with the profitability. For the other algorithms like EtHash or Script or many others, this is not happening every 6 months. It's happening more or less every 2 years, 3 years. So we are not expecting any big change into the hardware for the Script algorithm in the next 2 years, and we will have a lot of time to be good and having a good profitability, and also growing with the time. L7 Miner was released in November 2021. So it's almost 1 year and a little bit more ago. Yeah. So this is a good time for this miner to get the profitability for the next 2 years. And like I said, with the sell tax, we will be improving the miners. We will be buying the best ROI miners with never we will buy the premium price with the new miners that are at a higher price. We have our mining future company. We made a lot of numbers related with the profitability, with the Bitcoin price, with the Litecoin halving. Of course, it's very risky to buy miners for Bitcoin before the halving. Probably better buy after. But we have the companies. I can't share my screen, but we have a lot of business models for every miner, every bundle of the miners. Make the research before we buy the miners, before we invest our money. We bought the miners before we launched the token. It's important to tell that we put the money before everyone, So we are making the research before, we are making the partnerships before we do, and then we will have everything the more clear we can. We are offering to the retail, to the investors through the token. We are not doing this randomly or let's try like this. No, we are a company. We are making the research. We have our partnership, our everything we need to do. We invest our own money before, and then we open the investment for the retail through the token, like I said, to grow higher, to grow more fast with community. Yeah.
Thank you, Hank. And thank you, Luis. Great answer.
Thank you.
Let's see if we have someone else. I think we will bring up Harley. Takes a while. So how was the launch? How did it go?
Yeah, like I said, we made the listing on PancakeSwap around 24 hours ago. We have the price drop. We are around 25% or 30% lower than the listing price. Sadly.
Oh, okay. It's a good entry then, maybe.
Probably. We got $20,000 for the sell tax. This is why we are buying more miners, like we promised. We are making this purchase this Friday. We will make the announcement in the channels. We are really cool with the things until now. We are making marketing. We book marketing for Abadex trendings. We will have the one company for Instagram and TikTok YouTubers. I am talking with them. I was talking with them before we start with this EMEA, and we are going to make marketing because we want the price for the investors to look a little bit beautiful. So we are not going to drop the price, whatever it goes, because we want the people to be happy with us. But we are not really worried about the price because our value is in the mining rewards, in the Bitcoin rewards, so the staking of the token. So the price of the token is not linked with revenues or with the profits. But yeah, we will take care about the chart because we are in this space. We are also, like I said, we are also with the SpiceDex protocol. We are launching on the mainnet the next 10th of February when we have the audit finished from 30. We don't want people to be, uncomfortable. We want to give something a little bit.
Yeah, and this is a long-term thing for you. You're not, if it goes a little bit down now, you're not going to stop. You're
We
just
want
going to keep
to
going,
minimum
right?
to offer the investors on the pre-sale a little bit more price from the pre-sale, so everyone who really want to get a profit be able to do it, and we will be working on it. Not because we have interest in the price of the token, but we have interest in give something to everyone. So this is why we are going to keep doing marketing. Yeah, we will make agreements with different companies for marketing, for YouTubers, for TikTok, everything, trendings, listing in CoinMarketCap and Conjeco is happening.
You have a marketing plan.
We
Good to know.
of course we have a marketing price.
And you have a budget for it. I mean,
no, budget.
You have a budget.
We
as
have
well.
budget and a plan because we are not new in the market, so we know
Yeah.
how to move, and we are not worried about the things. We have the contact, we have the ways to move the market, and like I said, we are doing this because of the investors of the pre-sale, not because we are worried about the price, because we are not investing in the price of our tokens. We are investing in the utility and the business of the token. The SpiceDex protocol.
And was there team tokens? Did you have team tokens?
We will have
for the team?
4% of the tokens locked, but we will have for staking, and of course, we will have this 4% of the total supply because we work for this. We invest the money for the marketing, we invest the money for everything, and we have this share of the total of the tokens.
But that's vested.
Of course, it's vested and staked just for get the rewards for the mining business. Yeah.
Okay, I brought Harley up here. Let's hear your question, Harley. Welcome up on stage.
All right. Thank you for bringing me up. So my question is regarding the staking program mentioned on your website. Can you explain how this works? What is the minimum amount of GBT token a user can stake at a time? Also, what are the rewards for staking GBT token? Thank you.
I understand the minimum. There is not minimum. You can stake size one token. One token is less than 1 cent and a half or something like this, 0.017 or something like this. And this is the minimum, one token, and the rewards you are getting Bitcoin from the mining business, from the miners we have in Abu Dhabi.
All right. Is there also plans for token buybacks and bonds?
Buy what? Some bonds?
Yeah, buybacks and bonds mechanism.
Buyback and burn.
Buyback and burn. No, buyback, yes, because we want our tokens. As far as the token is lower from the pre-sale price, we both today almost some BNBs. I don't think it's interesting to tell, but we bought some BNBs today, and we will keep buying always with the price lower from $0.02. We will be buying the tokens because we are interested in our project, in the business model and the rewards from the mining. So yes, buybacks, yes, but we want the tokens for us for staking and get the rewards as a part of the community and investment in our project. Because
all right.
the buybacks are with our funds, not with the funds from the sell tax or something like this. The sell tax will be used for the purchase of new miners and to increase the hash rate and the rewards in Bitcoin.
All right, thank you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harley. Let's Silver up here. I don't recognize you, Silver. Have you been here before? Silver, can you speak? There you go. What is your question, Silver?
Yeah, hello Mary.
Hello.
Great one today. I think this is one of my first times on on this page
Oh,
to
great.
ask a question. Yeah. Thank you, Green Blocks. So I just want to know, Green Blocks, what are your architectural and technological pillars of Green Block? Do you understand my question?
About the technology, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's say what is the reality. This is not technology. This is not quite a difficult project with technology with a lot of developments in the blockchain. Yeah, we only have the staking contract linked with the mining pool, and that's all you need to understand about technology in this project. This is about the mining business, and that's it. We don't have any big developments
All right.
in this project. We have big developments in the
All
project of
right.
SpiceDex because it's quite big project. 111 smart contracts running for this decentralized exchange with trading tools, with leverage, with lending, copy trading, with space tools, with the charts of everything. But for the green block capital token, it's easy to understand, easy utility, easy development, easy to use. Not
All
big
right.
developments in it.
All right, I get that. Do you look forward to maybe going into yield farming sometime since you do staking?
Again, please, sorry. Which is what?
I said I am not really much of a fan of staking. I do more of yield farming. So my question is, do you look forward to going into yield farming? That's green block.
No, no, because we are not minting tokens for rewards or something like this. We are not offering the liquidity tokens to farm. We are not. It's the staking of the token. You bought the token and you stake the token and you get rewards in Bitcoin directly from the mining business. We are not minting tokens for rewarding the liquidity providers. The farmings for when you create liquidity tokens with Greenblock Capital and BNBs, for example, and you are increasing the liquidity and you are getting rewards from the project. But this is not like this. It's not for this. This is just staking. It's utility development just for let people get the rewards in Bitcoin. And this is the way that we are sharing proportionally as your investment in tokens, your amount in tokens, you are getting your proportional rewards from all the miners in Bitcoin. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Sorry, Mary, just one quick question about the miners. In terms of electricity bill, is there kind of a way you kind of make sure for the people who buy or get the miners, like you kind of make sure they don't get a high cost on the electricity, something like that?
People who buy the token don't care about the electricity cost because they are getting rewards directly without any cost. And we are taking care of the payments of the electricity. We have the price of the electricity with the contract with the Miners Hub company, the hoster. It's $0.067 exactly. And this is the price of the electricity that make business of mining profitable. But you are not going to take care about the electricity, not you, not any one of the holders of the token. You just need to stake your token and get your bitcoins, and you don't need you can forget about the electricity, about the management, about the repairs. Everything is on our hand, and you are getting just your rewards from the hash rate directly linked to the staking pool.
All right, thank you so much. I look forward to being with Greenblock. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you.
Thank you, Silver. Maybe, Luis, he meant also because it's called green block. I mean, what do you mean with green there? Is it like a green company
Yeah,
or?
Yeah,
exactly, Mary.
of course. We work with different hosters around the world. So we have energía hidráulica. In English, I mean, hydraulic energy is green energy. Is the in our opinion, is the better energy for the miners because it's cheap energy with hydraulic. It's not like solar panels or hydraulic. It's a little bit more expensive for us. But we depend of our hosters. They are providing us energy in Canada with hydraulic energy. Also in Georgia, different kind of hosters are bringing the energy. Yeah, we are trying to make the agreements with the ones with green energy, but it will depend at the end of all with the providers. And this is why the name, because we have agreements for hydraulic energy and it's green energy, green for the green energy block because the blockchain, and capital because we are talking about the money, investment in money. That's why.
Yeah, that's very good. So I have a question if from Twitter here where people write during the AMA, and someone is asking, it's North actually. How fast is your mining machines compared to others?
Our mining machines is this. We are not the factory for the miners. We are buying our miners like everyone who is mining from Bitmain or for other factories. And we have the research for the best miners with the best ROI and the best profitability sustainable with the time. Our miners are the L7 now, and we are making the research to understand which are the best miners in the future to increase the minimum power with the better miners on the market. Yeah, but we are not. We don't have a factory. We are not Bitmain.
And Javs 33 is asking, how about partnership and collaboration? Do you have any partnerships coming up? I mean, you have another project yourself that you're involved with, right?
Of course, we have the
Do you have
Spice
any?
Decks. We are related. We are the same team. Whenever we are
Yeah.
making any marketing thing, we are talking about both the two projects. We have partnership now with the Bolt Inu project because we already integrated the widget they have for buying our token in our website directly in our landing page. We have this partnership. They are tweeting about us today in their Twitter. We are talking with different blockchain projects whenever we want. Whenever it's possible to make partnership for marketing, for collaboration in a way. We are quite good. We have good relations in the crypto market, so we are in contact with many projects. So probably we will be making more partnership but more for the marketing things, collaborations, maybe adding some liquidity in another dexes or something like this. We are open to make this kind of marketing things with other projects. We are well connected, so it probably will happen. Yeah.
All right, very good. So we had lots of questions, and maybe is there something else that we could talk about that's coming in the future? I mean, you're buying more miners.
Yeah, this is the thing.
And maybe you want to mention something about SpaceX also while you're here. I mean,
for sure, it's really good this space. But I always like to make this with video because I can share my screen and so a little bit. But related with the green block,
just can have a little elevator pitch about SpaceX if you want.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Yeah, Green Block Capital is about the mining business. We are buying more miners with the time. You can expect about the rewards in Bitcoin going higher with the time. You can buy the token in PancakeSwap. You can stake your token and get your Bitcoins directly every week from the miners to your wallet. We have a good price for the hash rate. If you are buying our token, you are buying hash rate at a cheap price compared with the price you will be able to buy in the market. You don't need to take care about the expense. You don't need to pay any electricity, any hosting, any management, repairs. It's everything in our hand. You only need to stake your tokens and get your rewards. And like I said, if you want to invest into the mining business with our token, you are able to buy your hash rate and to get your bitcoins. And when you are tired, you will be able to sell the token in the market, and maybe you can recover your initial investment and get your bitcoins from the mining during the time you are with us. That's it, yeah. And if you want to talk a little bit about the SpiceDex, I already talked about it. We have this protocol. It's the decentralized protocol. Initially, will be in the Binance Smart Chain. We have the difference of this protocol. This is the protocol is only offering trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and the stable coins. We have the zero price impact because we are not working with the liquidity pools. We are working with the vaults. We have a low fee for the trader, 0.1% for the swaps. We have the leverage until per 10 with the lending for borrow the funds for the leverage. Everything is in the smart contracts. Everything is decentralized, of course. We have social thinking to the DApp. You as a trader, if you want to share your trades into your socials, Twitter, you just need to press the Twitter link, and you will be sharing your trades directly in your socials. Yeah, we have referral system for people who want to invite friends to use our DEX. They will have a lower fee, also lower from the 0.1% for the swaps. And the one who invite the friends will have also a share of the fees they are paying in our DEX. So this is good for the traders, for the users. We have a DEX with a zero price impact and a low fee for the swaps. And you have the social thing with the Twitter and your socials to share your trades. We have also the referral system. We have the copy trading. Also, we have the lending, and we have the lending for the leverage until per 10, and we have also things for the liquidity provider. When you are adding liquidity to our protocol, you are adding liquidity in this DEX with the token, the liquidity token. We are always telling that it's a low risk liquidity token because the price of the liquidity token will depend on the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB together. It's not like exotic liquidity token where you are probably going to lose money because the impermanent loss or the price of one of the assets in the liquidity token is going too much down. No, the liquidity providers are going to be able to add liquidity in one of these assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or the stable coins. And the price of the liquidity token will be the price of these assets together, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and the stable coins. So we tell that it's a low risk liquidity token, talking about the price of the liquidity token. And it's a high efficiency liquidity token because we are working with the liquidity and getting rewards for the liquidity providers with the swaps and with the lendings for the leverage. So the APR for the liquidity providers can be easily between the 15% to the 20%. It's a good APR talking about the adding liquidity in a low risk asset, like I said before. And you will be also able to use your liquidity tokens to borrow money from the protocol. You are going to be able to use our lending, and you will be able to ask for borrow funds in stable coins using your liquidity tokens as collateral. Yeah. So this is almost about the utility of the DEX. Why is it better for the traders? Why is it good for the liquidity providers? Yeah, we have partnerships with different companies in the market. We are going to launch the protocol, the mainnet, the next 10th of February. We are going to make a trading competition for this event. We are making the marketing for this. We are making a partnership with Bitnovo, a Spanish company for buying and selling crypto with different this how is the name of this? For the traders, they are using the I don't remember this name. Dex Tools, no. DexView. Yeah, this company for the traders, for the charts, everything. We are making this also sponsor for our trading competition. We are talking with the Binance Smart Chain guys for they are asking us today. They know we are close to the end of the audit, and they are telling us today. They write us because we are going to join into the accelerator for the Binance Smart Chain, and they say that they want we to be listed on DAP Bay, the ecosystem side from Binance Smart Chain. This is the first step they want to do for us directly, and then they will make more research about us to be telling us if we are able to join the accelerator for Binance Smart Chain projects. It will mean that we will have support for the marketing of the project. We will have support for the liquidity on the protocol. It will be a good step for the SpiceDex token. Token name is Falcon. And I think I talked a little bit about it. Yeah, we will also have our space tools. Space tools will be front side adapt like we have Dex tools or PooCoin, because we will be offering all the information of the tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, the charts, the liquidity, also the swap for all the tokens in our front, finding the liquidity, the best liquidity for the swap on all the dexes on the Binance Smart Chain. This is the space tools development. It will be finished into almost 1.5 months from now. And like I said, that SpiceDex project is quite a big project.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah.
It seems you have so much knowledge about your company. I feel reassured that you know what you're talking about, and you have done lots of research before this, and you have funds for marketing, and you have a plan, and that's not everyone has that, but this is a real company behind, right? It's a registered
it's true.
company, so
Yeah,
it's
this is why we take
yeah.
care of everything we do. Like I said, we take care of our investors. We try to push about the marketing with the tokens to everyone be a little bit happy. But I can tell you that only for SpiceDex, for only the audit for 30 is $100,000. The lowers for
Wow.
the everything we need to do related with the lowers, with the deck for the institutional investors, everything is like $50,000. For the development, we have been working in almost 1 year. We will have around $200,000 into the development of the SpiceDex. You know, it's a lot of money. It's not like a project to play around or something like this. But
no, it's not likely that you run away because you have invested so much.
We invest more of the
already.
Our market cap of the token now. Falcon token is around 400,000. In market cap, we invest more than 400,000 ourselves for the development of the project. Yeah. But everything will have the time, the right time. We are not already on the mainnet. Like I said, I explained everything is going to happen in the next 6 months. It will be very interesting to check what is happening with the Falcon token, with the SpiceDex project. The protocol is quite interesting for the liquidity providers. It's quite interesting for the traders. Like I said, with all the trading tools. Our goal into the DEXs is to give everything that you are finding into the centralized exchange, but into the decentralized exchange. Yeah, we are going to give we are going to develop of the tools you are using into the into centralized exchange, like all the trading tools, like the copy trading, like arbitrage bots, everything you find in centralized trading bots, everything, bring it to the decentralized exchange so everyone with the low fees, everyone will be able to trade in DEXs and don't need too much about the text. Yeah, this is our goal with the SpiceDex.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, it has been great to hear more about this again, and I hope everyone in here now understands how it works with the rewards and with the mining and what you get, and it's very interesting. I think I'm gonna look for it. No financial advice from me, guys, but I think it's interesting.
Thank you very much.
So thank you, Luis. Thank you, Luis, for coming again, and give my best to Carlos as well.
I will tell him. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hope to see you soon again. And everyone in here, make sure to follow Luis now up here on stage, and also go and check out their Telegram group and their Twitter space, so you don't miss anything.
I think no. We talk about the Green Block Capital, all the need, and also a little bit about the SpiceDex. So happy to have been here, and thank you for everyone who joined and listened a little bit us. And thank you for you also for host this CMA, and nothing more.
My pleasure. Thank you. I hope to see you soon again, Luis.
Yeah, me too.
We'll have this once a week.
Okay,
right?
we can try for sure.
All right. Take care, everyone. Have a nice evening, and see you tomorrow. I think maybe we have another AMA coming in tomorrow. So lots of AMAs coming up. And Luis, you are welcome to come and listen if you have time. I know you're very
For sure. No,
busy.
I sometimes just listen the MES and I don't talk, of course. But when I am working, I like to listen about other projects and everything we learned also. Listen.
Yeah, you can always take good parts of every project, right? And put in your own project, I guess, if you want to. All right. Good luck with the future of Green Block and also SpaceX, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you very much. Yeah, for sure we will see soon.
All right. Take care, everyone. Good evening, good night, good morning, good something, wherever you are. Lots of hearts now, guys. Bye bye.